new sail. Shooting right up into the sun. I can't see anything. Okay, back to sailing. It's a nice day out here. Nice gentle breeze. And we're going pretty well. Heading down the lake, close hauled. There, we're sailing by the telltale. If I can get it to go out, you can really see what I'm shooting. And back down. Really having fun. It's a beautiful day, a little chilly, upper 60s, but the sun's out. It's not raining. It's not raining. The sky is blue. Perfect wind for sailing. Not wearing our life jackets as we should be, but that's the way it goes. You see the boat's not all set up yet. The boom bang's off. Some other items are missing, like the cleat that should have come with the boat and is not there, so this has been jerry-rigged.
Okay, this is David sailing his new boat, the Thea Jane. So far, she's been nothing but trouble.
As expected by the name.
Oh. Here's the cabin. And the pretty sails. I'm not really at a spot where I can get the sails. Even though parts of the boat are missing, he's been able, this part right there, this point, he's been able to pull a piece from his Point Jude to make the boat go.
Really a bit much. Yeah.
David is in complete control of the boat, even though it's a little windy for me.
There are no white caps. Well, just starting white caps, so it's perfect.
Yeah, the person holding the camera should be Karen, because she'd be saying, whee!
The wind is just perfect. Forecast is for winds about this all afternoon, not really increasing, so we're feeling pretty good. I have to hold the main sheet since I don't have a cleat.
Grr.
But that's okay. We're safer that way anyway.
I'm going to turn this off because I'm starting to say bad words.
It's fine. We're correcting. And here we go again. There we go. Nice day for a sail. There we go. No idea if any of this movie will turn out, but we're giving it a go. Let's see. There's a lake. And somewhere down there is the island. in, out. Down in there is Wolf's Bay. Way down there is Long Point. And back behind us is Curtis. The big town of Curtis. And here we are sailing. Wind is kind of falling off again, as it has been doing all day, on and off. That's okay with first mate.
It's okay with me. I like it better like this.
Somewhere way up in the sky, up in the big sail, is the sun. There it is. Wow. You can see by the telltale we're not doing a very good job of tending the sails. Let's see if we can fix that. There, look at that. Look at that picture. Wow. Of course, I have no idea where we're going. Looking up in the sky.
I think this is working again. David is sitting back, just relaxing, having a nice little sail. He looks like a happy boy. That's a good thing. There's Long Point over there. We're heading down into, or over towards Wolf's Bay. Sails are gorgeous. The sun is right at the top of the sail. I can't do that. Back to David. Captain Dave.
Got my hands full.
Yes. I
But
know.
enough about that.
Huh?
But enough about that.
Oh, crap.
Okay, we're back to sailing. And straight ahead, somewhere down in there, is our cottage. The wind has kind of come up and gone down. Not a whole lot right now. A nice pleasant run-down wind. Now we're sailing some more. Kind of on a run down the lake. Not a straight down wind, but reach maybe. I don't know. But it is pleasant. lot of wind at this point, but that's okay because we're going to try to take her in to shore. We don't want a whole lot of wind. And there she lies, all resting, and we had a great time on the lake. And maybe later we'll go out again.